Hey everyone, this is Carl with StoneHouse Foundation Repair. Today I'm speaking to all of our realtors. One thing that we offer at StoneHouse, it becomes very important to you as an agent to help you close more deals. We offer paid at closing, which means when you are in a transaction, whether it's buying a house, selling a house, you're dealing with your customers, and the house needs foundation repair. Nobody has the money to spit $20,000 up or $10,000, whatever the number is. No, people don't have that money just laying in their bank normally. And normally we finance those people, but we realize going through a transaction where you have people who are looking at buying houses, it makes zero sense for them to apply for credit. So what we do is we offer paid at closing, which means we accept $0, we require $0 to start the project, to finish the project. We do it all, and then we get paid when you close on that house or that house changes ownership. It's all done through the title company. That's all we require. We do require it all go through title, so there's no hiccups, there's no misunderstandings. Everybody knows we're doing the work, we're gonna get paid at closing, and we do a lot of them. We probably do about at least 2 to 3 a month, I would say, paid at closing. So we do a number of them. We've got a good system for them to track them and make sure everything's getting done. We work with your timelines because we realize you need to close this house in order for you to get paid. So we operate within your timelines when possible. But yeah, so it's a big thing. We're really pushing it this year. We want to help more agents. We realize the market's fixing to blow up, and we want to be there for you when you need us, because guess what? If you are selling houses in San Antonio, you need us, period. There are so many foundation problems in San Antonio, and you cannot let your buyers buy a house without having the foundation checked. And we check it for free. It costs you nothing. Take care of your customers, get the foundation inspected by StoneHouse, and then let us fix it. We'll just get paid at closing.